Join me as I challenge myself to explore every inch of London's iconic Tower Bridge and find the best hidden spots you can't miss. Welcome to our exploration of London's famous Tower Bridge, a symbol of the city's rich history and engineering marvel. This iconic landmark has been standing tall for centuries, and its stunning design makes it a must-visit attraction for anyone traveling to London. Many visitors to London often overlook Tower Bridge, focusing instead on more famous attractions like the London Eye and Buckingham Palace. But trust me, Tower Bridge is just as impressive and offers a unique experience that you won't want to miss. I mean, who wouldn't want to explore a bridge that's been a London icon since 1894? The bridge's history is fascinating, and its architecture is unlike anything you've ever seen before. From its majestic towers to its lifting central section, Tower Bridge is an engineering marvel that will leave you in awe. Let's dive into the fascinating history of Tower Bridge, its stunning design, and the various activities you can enjoy while visiting. The bridge was built over a period of 8 years, from 1886 to 1894, and was designed by architects Horace Jones and George D. Stephenson. Its construction required innovative solutions, including the use of hydraulic power to lift the central section of the bridge. This allowed larger ships to pass underneath, making it an essential transportation link between the north and south banks of the Thames. The bridge's design is a mix of Victorian Gothic and Art Nouveau styles, making it a standout attraction in London. As you walk across the bridge, you'll notice the stunning views of the Thames River and the city skyline. You can also explore the bridge's towers, which offer breathtaking views of the city. The glass-floored walkway is another must-see attraction, offering a unique perspective of the Thames River below. As you walk along the walkway, you'll feel like you're floating above the river, with the sound of the water rushing beneath your feet. The walkway is also home to an exhibition showcasing the bridge's history and construction. You'll learn about the engineers who built the bridge and the challenges they faced during its construction. The views from the walkway are simply breathtaking, with the city skyline stretching out as far as the eye can see. On a clear day, you can even spot the London Eye and other famous landmarks. As you gaze out at the river, you'll notice the variety of boats and ships that pass underneath the bridge, from small sailboats to massive cargo vessels. In summary, Tower Bridge is a must-see landmark that combines history, architecture, and stunning views all in one place. Whether you're a history buff, an architecture enthusiast, or just someone who loves exploring new places, Tower Bridge has something for everyone. So make sure to add it to your London itinerary and experience its magic for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our next adventure and leave your thoughts about Tower Bridge in the comments below.